Welcome to Zoo Experience, the show that gives you the latest in technology. And today we want to show you the INFINIX Note 4 Pro and the INFINIX Note 4. We're going to unbox it for you, give you the differences, give you the similarities, so that you can make a better choice if you want to buy any of these phones. You should know that in Zambia they launched this year, and it's been about a month or two, and we received some feedback from the consumers, so we want to share it with you. Without further ado, let me first dive into the Note 4 before I go to the Pro. I'm going to save the best for last, right? So let me just unbox this, open the seal. Okay, anywhere, come on, okay. So the packaging is nice. I like the packaging. You can't complain, it's cute. Okay. So when you open this, the first thing that greets you is the phone, the Note 4 Pro. I mean the Note 4, pardon me. Then the accessories were packed at the back, and this one, it comes with a free case. That's a plastic case, a silicone case. Also comes with a free plastic screen protector. Then you get your usual things. That's the manuals. You get the USB, the headphones, the charger, the usual. Like I said. Let's look at the phone. So the phone packs a 13 megapixel camera. It also packs 8 megapixel front camera. Then it has a 4300 milliamp hour, a bit of an upgrade from the Note 3, which had 4000 milliamp hour battery. The screen size is the same as the predecessor, the Note 3, which had 5.7 inch Full HD, same here. If you look at the phone, I like one thing that they've done with this as compared to the Note 3. You can see the curve. This curve, it makes you handle the phone very well. It gives you that grip, you know, that comfort, that feel in your hands. It makes it, I don't know what I can say, but really they done excellent job on making this phone curved. Okay. So I think that's it with this phone. Let's unbox this so that we can make a few comparisons, and then we'll also show you the differences. So there's Note 4. Oh, why am I thinking of other phones? Okay, so the Note 4 Pro. Pardon me again. The Note 4 Pro. First thing, there's the phone itself. Then it comes with this special package. It's just a box. Put it aside. The special package, this has a smart cover. Let me just show you. So it comes with a smart cover. What this smart cover does is, if you receive any notifications, you can play your music, you can answer your calls, you can switch on the light. I don't want to make too long a video, but I'll try and show you once we switch on the phone. So the smart cover also comes with a provision for the pen, for the X Pen. The X Pen, which is here. The X Pen, because the way this pen is designed, it has to charge. You can see this, the docking here, it has to charge. So you have to plug it in here, like that. Then it charges your phone. I mean, it charges the pen, sorry. Apart from that, this thing will help protect your phone. I'm pretty sure you can see that, and it's quite fancy. But if you ask me, it's a bit big. It makes the phone look big because of the pen here. I think that's quite a disadvantage there as compared to other phones, which the pen just goes into the phone. Makes it a bit, how can I put it? It doesn't give this bulkiness when you're cutting it. Anyways, let's go into the phone. Let's see what the phone is packed with. Let's unbox the phone. Hope I don't cut myself. So while I try and unbox this one, it comes with 13 megapixel. That's back camera. It comes with 8 megapixel front camera. I think you can see that on the box. Like that. Then, one thing I forgot to mention is it's got a front fingerprint sensor. So they swapped, instead of the back fingerprint sensor, now the fingerprint sensor is in the front. Same with this guy, but let's see what's inside before we Okay, So that's your INFINIX Note 4 Pro. If you look at them from the front, the differences are quite minor. Yeah, because the screen size is the same, the front fingerprint is the same, they've both got same camera size, same, but the back, however, is totally different. And well, I don't know, but I dig this better than I dig this anyways, because it's also got the curved back, which makes it comfortable to grip, comfortable to use. Then you can see the cameras the same, but the flash is different. I'm not going to dive into the flash, but let's take a look at what is in the box. So with this one, you get the headphones, and you get the free screen protector as well. It's just plastic. Then you get the pin, and you have the charger here. Yeah, basically that's it. Let's see, is there anything underneath here? I doubt that. So the charger and the headphones, they come in here, you see. So you get your cable, it's in here, and the headphones. Okay, so that's it in the phone. Let's talk about the similarities and differences between these two phones. So the similarity, one similarity I already mentioned is that they've got the same cameras, but the difference, they've got different battery sizes. This one is 4,300 milliamp hour, this one is 4,500 milliamp hour, meaning this it's more charge than this. And then you also get 32 GB inbuilt memory in the Note 4 Pro, and you get a 3 GB RAM as compared to the Note 4 itself, which gives you 13 megapixel. Sorry, it gives you 16 GB inbuilt memory and 2 GB of RAM. So basically those are the differences. Apart from that, nothing major. They both got a front fingerprint sensor. So I'm going to turn them on right now, both of them, and they both come with Android 7.0 as their default operating system. Okay, let's turn on this one as well. So as you can see, the screens, you can't tell the difference really, and unless you look at the back, they just look the same. Yeah. The other thing that you can notice also is that the front camera is on the left on this one, the front camera is on the right on this one. So a bit of difference there. Then the accelerometer sensor is this side, accelerometer sensor is the other side. Apart from that, nothing else. Then they've also got the buttons here, the back button, and then the other button this side. Okay, let's get started. You can skip this part. Setup is new. Okay, I don't want to use network. Okay, as you can see, it's faster when setting up. I'm guessing the RAM does its trick there. Okay. Well, we'll put our shop name, Gomaza, here. So while I'm setting up, let me also mention that these are available at our stores. Gomazi, that's shop number 113, Karasura Shopping Center, which is at the corner of Rumumba and Kafuri Road. They're going for, this one is going for 2,399 kwacha. No, 2,299 kwacha, which is basically $240. Then this one is going for 1,650 kwacha, basically $165 for the Note 4, and then $230 for the Note 4 Pro. So there we go. We're gonna skip the fingerprint. Skip this. Okay, set up later. Okay, we just put G here so we can do it quick. We're in Zambia, so we're probably gonna set up Zambia here. Let's get this. Set up later. Okay, it's Zambia. And there we go. Start and start. I like this one better. This wallpaper is nice. I'm gonna put a different wallpaper on this one. Let's go with this guy. Okay, so as you can see, the screens, they look exactly the same. There's no difference whatsoever. Yeah, no difference whatsoever. Nothing at all. And the inside also just the same. From this one is using a different theme, but they're basically the same. Then, like I mentioned, they both come with Android 7.0. Let's check out Android 7.0. Android 7.0. So that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends so that we can continue making videos for you guys. That's it for now. Join us in our next video when we review them individually and give you maybe some brief statements there and there. All right, bye-bye.